Hello everyone, and welcome to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel. My name is Carrie Marquis and I'm a Texas family lawyer. Today we're going to delve into an important topic that often causes confusion and concern. Does child support cover overtime pay? Understanding how child support is calculated and whether overtime pay is included is crucial for both paying and receiving parents in Texas. We'll also explore a real-life scenario to bring clarity to this topic. Child support in Texas is calculated based on the non-custodial parent's income. The Texas Family Code outlines specific guidelines for determining the amount of child support, which includes all sources of income. But does that include overtime pay? The answer is yes, but with some nuances that we'll explore. To understand this better, let's take a look at the case of Tom and Susan. Tom works as an engineer and occasionally works overtime, while Susan is the primary caregiver for their two children. When they divorced, the court ordered Tom to pay child support based on his regular salary. However, Tom's job involved significant overtime, and Susan believed that his child support payment should reflect this additional income. In Texas, the guidelines for calculating child support are straightforward but can include various forms of income. According to the Texas Family Code, income for child support purposes includes wages, salary, overtime pay, bonuses, commissions, and self-employment income. This means that if Tom regularly earns overtime, it can be factored into his child support obligation. Tom's overtime pay, however, needs to be consistent and regular to be included in the calculation. Sporadic or occasional overtime might not significantly impact the child support amount, but regular and predictable overtime earnings do. In Tom's case, he consistently worked overtime, making it a substantial part of his income. When Susan filed a motion to modify child support to include Tom's overtime pay, the court reviewed his income records over the past year. They looked at his pay stubs and employment records to determine the consistency of his overtime. Based on this review, the court adjusted Tom's child support payments to reflect his true earning capacity, which included his regular overtime. It's important to note that not every case will result in overtime being included in child support calculations. The court will consider whether the overtime is regular, the duration and frequency of overtime, and the overall impact on the parent's income. If the overtime is deemed consistent, it can significantly affect the child support amount. Additionally, if Tom's overtime work fluctuated or was not guaranteed, the court might decide against including it in the child support calculation. The key is the regularity and predictability of the overtime income. If Tom's overtime was irregular, or it could create an unfair financial burden if factored into a fixed child support amount. For parents like Tom and Susan, understanding how overtime impacts child support can help them prepare for modifications and ensure that child support accurately reflects the paying parent's ability to support their children. Consulting with a family law attorney can provide clarity and guidance through this process. In summary, overtime pay can be included in child support calculations in Texas if it is consistent and regular. The court will look at the overall income pattern to ensure a fair and accurate child support amount. This ensures that children receive the financial support they need without unfairly burdening the paying parent. Thank you for watching. I hope this information has helped clarify the complexities of child support and overtime pay in Texas. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights and updates. Stay informed and take care. See you next time.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.